Hello and welcome to the travel booking panel. In the previous video, we saw how the travel booking panel helps the travel business. Today's video, we'll see how to activate and deactivate modules in the travel book panel website and how these modules work. So let's begin. Here we are in the admin panel, and on the sidebar of the admin panel, we can see the travel partner button. We click on it and all these modules, stay, flight, tour, and visa, are active in front of us. The green button at the top shows that all modules are active. We can also check this on the website. For example, here we have stay, flight, tour, and visa. And similarly below, the forms for stay, flight, tour, and visa also appear active. Now we return to the admin panel on the website. Let's try to deactivate flight now. As soon as we click on the green button, we observe that it switches to a gray button, which indicates that flight is now indeed fully disabled. The flight module has been deactivated on our website. We now go back to the website and reload it. Once we reload, we can clearly observe that the flight button remains hidden from the top menu section of the interface as well as from the form displayed further down the page, thereby preventing any user interaction. That means the flight module is deactivated from our website. We now come back here and activate the flight module again so we can test it. It's now active. We come to the website here and reload it. Now we have the hotel, flight, tour, and visa modules all activated. Because the stay hotel module appears first at the very top of the page, we proceed to locate and select it for further inspection and integration within our ongoing development or review workflow. As soon as we search, we wait a bit. Let's wait and see. Look, the hotel data is now displayed as a list. We have quite a lot of data, and here we also notice in front of each hotel which supplier the data is being displayed from on our website. For example, right now we see data from HotelBet active. We can look at the filters on the site. Let's sort. I need 3-star hotels. As soon as I select 3 stars, the full 3-star list appears before us. I return to the website here so that we can also search the flight module. To test it, I click the flight button, input departure and destination locations, select the travel type and choose either a one-way itinerary or a round-trip journey. Both options are available to us. Some details are already selected here, so I try searching with these to see how the results appear. We waited a bit, and once that brief pause had passed, we looked around here and could clearly see the truly remarkable scene unfolding before us now. All relevant flight data is currently being displayed on the screen, and here we can clearly see that the site also provides convenient interactive filter options, enabling passengers to refine their search results for non-stop and one-stop flights. The option that allows us to filter flights with 2-stop itineraries is available, and in the same way, the adjustable price range as well as the airline filter are visible to us. When we come back to this menu once again, I can see right in front of me the departure and arrival dates, which are neatly displayed for our convenience. Along with that, the destination and the pricing, all these proper details and the flight's departure time, layover information, baggage allowances, seat assignments, and cancellation policies should be clearly provided. Logo are also visible to us. Here, as soon as we click on this button, the details of this flight also appear. Here, when we click on the detailed information of a particular stopover displayed in the itinerary summary within the user interface, we can clearly see that the requested flight route originated in Lahore and terminated in Dubai. So here you can clearly see that the route travels from Lahore to Karachi, then continues from Karachi to Dubai, which consequently grants us a brief overnight stayover during the layover. In this way, I can search and test the flight, hotel or flight modules to review options, and further on, I click the online booking button to complete and confirm my travel reservation successfully. As soon as I load the online booking page, it immediately prompts us to proceed, and at this point, we are required to fill out the detailed form with all necessary personal information. After filling out the form, the payment methods appear here, such as Stripe and Payoneer. For now, you select one and confirm your booking. So this is how we can activate and deactivate modules in the travel booking panel and use them. Similarly, there is a visa module that requires configuration and activation to work. There is a form like this, and as soon as we submit it, we can see our booking or our visa applications here. We can view them here. In the admin panel under visa requests appear to us along with these details. And similarly, if we go back to booking in the all booking section, we can easily see our recent booking cancellations. Okay, here you can see in the booking type drop down field that there are two main options, flight and hotel. Several distinct types are available, and when we choose any one of them, the interface updates accordingly. At this moment, you can see flight booking, hotel booking. All bookings are displayed before us. But if we change the type here, the display will update to show only bookings matching our criteria. Then hotel or flight bookings will be displayed before us as I just described, enabling quick selection based on our preferences. I just selected hotel, so we can see hotel bookings appear in front of me. This is how we can activate, deactivate these modules and use them. Thank you for watching. Bye, Chu.